everybody? Show you the good, the bad, the ugly, right? So the other day, my daughters was on their way to school. The car was messing up and it wouldn't go over 5 miles per hour. So I changed the battery out. They drove it for about 2 or 3 days on their way home from work at night. You know, once you turn them lights and stuff on, the alternator go to tripping and it go to doing all kind of stuff. So we they on their way home, the car start doing the same exact thing. So me and my wife rush over there, boom. I grabbed my jump box and put it on the car. Put the hood down, thought I latched everything. I thought I pushed it all the way down, thought I heard it latch. Man, go to trying to get home because my battery pack is gonna last, but they don't supposed to keep it on there like that. So I go to doing about 35, 40. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. Windshield broke. I know you can see it in certain spots. Like that crack right there. It's all broke. I got it. Then, fixing the alternator right now. Then I just noticed this. So I'm about to have to, it got a deal up there at the top, in the center. They knocked that down. That piece right there. So I'm about to take that back out and I'm gonna hit that back up. This how hard that roof hit. This not glue. That's not glue. That's glass. That's part of the glass. You can see how it's missing. Yeah, that's glass. And you can see some of the windshield broke. Man, well, I was hot. But my babies had already thought in a way that this was their fault. So I was trying to play it cool, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want them to think this was their fault. Like I tell them, you buy cars, stuff happen to them, man. So finishing the alternator, I just went and got another one. It was under warranty, lucky. They wanted 3 something for it. Finished that. The guy that got my old school, I hit him up. Well, I went by there this morning, showed him the pictures. He said he can knock this out for me in about 3 days. Because right now, I can't get back on the road because my daughter's got a job. They can't catch the bus home, and then they don't have no ride to work. So I can maneuver and do my thing. I had a few things I needed to get done this week anyway. But, yeah, man, so I'm down 2 fenders, a hood, a windshield, and the top is dented because of my mistake. So I'm gonna have him paint the whole front end. I had got this car, my wife wrecked this car about 3-4 years ago, and Mako painted it. So I'm gonna have him paint all that, paint everything back over, man. From everything, the whole front end gonna get painted. So we're gonna do it like that. And I'm gonna get a piece of wood, go on the inside, and we gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. You see the job Mako do. But I just wanted a paint job to get it back on the road, man. This a work car. So, and like my wife really wanted to go get another car for them. Well, really, she wanted to fix this car, give it back to them. And the whole goal was supposed to fix this car and she started driving it back to work and get out the Audi and buy my daughters another car. I had found a little Honda Accord, kind of clean. She talking about, well, I'ma drive that. We gonna get him the Altima. This lady. But, man, let me slap this back on. Cause I gotta go get my babies from school shortly. And we gonna get it, do what we do, man. We almost done with it. So, yeah, y'all. Top of the morning, what's going on, man? We back. We ain't back. We headed back. Finally get back in the saddle, man. We had some things we had to get done. My daughter's car had a few issues, man. The battery in the alternator was going out. I changed the battery one day. I guess the alternator was the issue the whole time, but the battery drained because it wasn't getting charged by the alternator. So one night they was on their way home from work and the car went to, it was about to turn off on them. So I went through my jump box on the car rookie mistake. I didn't let the hood all the way down because I was gonna drive home with the jump box on the car. They don't work far from my house. And man, trying to hurry up before my jump box died. Excuse me. The hood flew back, broke the windshield, messed up both fenders. Messed the hood up. And so I put the car in the paint shop to get that done. They're done with that. I put it, like I said, I put a new battery, new alternator, but I think by the time I put the new alternator on, I think the new battery was no good. You know what I'm saying? So picked the car up from the paint shop, had AAA bring it back to the house so I can do my due diligence. I went and got the alternator checked last night. It was no good. So what I did was went and got a new alternator. I put that on. Right now, the battery is at AutoZone getting charged. So waiting on, I gotta go pick up some cars. So I'm not gonna be able to take care of that right now. So, and we I'll deal with it when I get back home, man. I gotta go out here. I got 5 I'm gonna pick up going to the Charleston area. I got 2 pickups. And so that's what we gonna do, man. We gonna go grab this stuff. It's a gloomy day in the city of Houston. It doesn't supposed to rain today. Ah, man, I hope she all right. Golly. Over there in the woods, man. They done drove off the road. Prayers for them, man. But like I said, it's a gloomy day in the city right now. I'm having to take my daughters to work, man. To be honest, I probably would have already been on the other side of town, so I could have beat traffic. Now I'm about to be in crazy traffic trying to get to the southwest side of Houston. So let's see. We gonna see how this play out, man. So I hope everybody, please subscribe, like, share, tell somebody, drop down in the comments, man. Let me know how your day's been going, man. Let me know how y'all been getting through these past few days, man. That's why I've been away from the camera, man. To be honest, I should have been documenting some of it, but I insert some pictures and then we'll go from there, man. But once I get to the truck, I got a couple videos coming, man, really on the pre-trip. A couple things on the ELD, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to work that ELD, and I'm gonna show y'all how to work mine. It's they pretty much all the same, but they got their similarities, in a lot of ways, and some of them a little bit different in some ways. So I'm gonna show you how mine works, and we're gonna go from there, man. But like I said, I catch back up with y'all in a second, man. It'll be a second for y'all. It'll be probably about 10 minutes for me, man. I'll be back. Here we go, man. She back put together.